Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best cutters pliers reviews. The Natalink RJ45 Crimp tool kit is designed for efficient network cable installation and repair. Compatible with RJ45, RJ11, and RJ12 connectors, it supports Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and Cat7 cables. Featuring crimper, cutter, and stripper functions, it ensures precise connections for UTP/STP cables.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.